Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. You join me in the loft with Pumpkin and Mittens, who are just checking the background is all okay. We're happy with how it's looking, Pumpkin. Please leave that on the... No. How about you chill out here and I can show you all the bits that I got. So we've got some brilliant bits from Lidl to show everybody. If you like your dupes. As I was saying, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to a brand new video. I've got a really exciting one for you today because I went into Lidl and they have loads of new in dupes that I think you're going to absolutely love. So I've got loads of bits from the new ranges to share with you. We've got dupes of Lush, L'Occitane, Aesop, what else have we got? Jo Malone, all the posh stuff and really good inspired by versions of it. And I have a little PR unboxing as well. I've got some lovely autumny bits from Superdrug as well, which Pumpkin cannot wait to get involved with. Is that fun? You love the shredded paper, don't you? So sit back, relax, and I will show you everything that I found in store. I hope you've got a nice drink on the go. I've made myself a lovely coffee and we'll have a quick sip and then we'll get into it. Well, that's nice. I haven't had this before. This is one of the Starbucks sachets with the cinnamon. Very nice indeed. I'm just going to need to close this box up because somebody is... somebody's pulling all the shredded paper out of it. So let's just close this quickly. Oh, hello Mittens. Mittens is back. How are you? You come see all the nice bits we've got. So let's start off with the bits that I think are definitely Lush inspired. So first of all we have the Dizzy Rose shower gel, which is definitely reminding me of Lush's Rose Jam, which I have used before. I always buy my Lush products in the January sale when everything's 50% off, and I've picked up that one in the past. It's absolutely beautiful. It's like a really sweet kind of, yeah, jammy rose scent. So probably not for everybody, but this, it smells exactly the same to me. So I'm very impressed with that. 500 ml here. The 500 gram one from Lush is £26 unless you get it in the sale. So we've got some real good bargains here. This one I was so excited to see. They've called this one Relax, and this is, I think, very much inspired by one of my firm favourites from Lush, which is Sleepy. And I think that's one of the products, yeah, that I always tend to sort of lean towards and pick up because it is so lovely. Oh my goodness, this is so close. It's so lovely to use before bedtime. This has got quite a strong lavendery smell, but it's also got, it's almost got like a kind of powderiness to it. I don't know quite how to describe that, but it really, this is so close. I'm so impressed with this. Aromatic lavender, sweet tonka, and ylang ylang. Is that how you say it? It's got the Y at the front, so I'm not sure whether you pronounce the Y or not. This is so close. And it says oat and carrageenan extracts will help soothe the skin after a long day or night. So yeah, it seems like they've got some lovely ingredients in here as well. And this says shower gel, but I think this would be like a really nice bath soak. And then this one, which is Mintalicious Tingle. This one I think is inspired by Dirty Spring Wash. I've never had that one before. This is an incredibly kind of refreshing minty smell. So if you like your kind of, I mean, it does smell kind of like toothpaste to be honest with you, but if you like that kind of really refreshing minty shower where you want to just be woken up, I think it'd be a good one to use if you've got a really early start, this one. And it says sea salt can help maintain your skin's good condition. And did you know that thyme is associated with purification, courage and strength, and is thought to be a protective herb defending against negative energy and influences. Oh, what a vibe, I'm loving this. And yeah, we've got menthol crystals and spearmint, which I have checked, and those are some of the key ingredients in the Dirty Spring Wash. Okay, we're impressed so far. Thumbs up if we are. So on to the next one, which I do actually have a little side-by-side comparison to do here, because I have what I think it has been inspired by and Lidl version. Can you guess which one is which? So this one here is the L'Occitane, which I absolutely love. This is such a lovely product. This is the Hand and Body Rose Liquid Soap. And yeah, really lovely, a lovely rose scent again, if you like that. And then here we have the D'Avignon, excuse my pronunciations. And this is the Rose Hand and Body Liquid Soap with Shea Extract. I haven't actually ever noticed, does this have the shea extract. Yes, it does as well. So, I mean, look at that. There's definitely some similarities going on here, isn't there? In terms of the size, 500ml, 500ml, and the price is £25, £2.99. So, yeah, quite the saving here. They also do the lavender and the verbena as well, and I also spotted the hand cream. So this is a shea hand cream with 20% shea butter, and I do actually have the original here in its box. I do love the L'Occitane products, I have to say. They are absolutely beautiful. And let's play spot the difference. So this one is actually 150ml from L'Occitane, and the one from Lidl is 100ml, so 50ml less in this one. In terms of the price, the L'Occitane one is £23 and the Lidl equivalent is £2.49. L'Occitane on the back says shea butter hand cream for dry skin. Everyday life can take its toll on the hands and disrupt the skin's balance, leaving your hands dry, uncomfortable and vulnerable. Formulated with high concentration of shea butter, 20%, this caring cream works to nourish and soothe your hands, protect them against environmental aggressors and rebalance the skin barrier. This is really good for winter time. I do love the L'Occitane hand cream, and it says it will leave your hands feeling softer and more comfortable over time. And then the Lidl equivalent is made by their deluxe range, says formulated with 20% shea butter and nourishing oils to moisturize your hands, ideal for daily use to protect your hands from drying out, leaving the skin feeling nourished and soft. So there we are. I'm sure this will be a fantastic product to use over winter time as well, and for the difference in price, definitely worth a go. Okay, on to the next dupe that is new in store. This is the aromatic hand wash. This one is called Thierry's. This one has vetiver grapefruit and guaiac wood. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. This is 500ml and definitely reminds me of the Aesop equivalent. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing that correctly either, but the 500ml from Aesop is £33 and this is £3.49. This is absolutely beautiful. It is such a classy scent. You know when you use a good hand wash, either in, you know, like a posh bathroom somewhere in a hotel or a lobby, or sometimes in a restaurant they have a nice one, and you come away and you're sniffing your hands, you're sniffing your fingers. This is the vibe when you've used this one. It is absolutely beautiful. It says a deluxe and effective hand wash with natural essential oils. I think it's the essential oils, isn't it, that sometimes makes them really lovely quality, and skin loving nutrients for hard working hands with extracts of bergamot and petty grain. I've started saying bergamot. I know you've all corrected me about that before. I always want to say bergamot, like I'm Hyacinth Bouquet or something. So yeah, I'll try and say things correctly when I know how to. And yeah, in a really nice container. Lovely one, I think, to use in the kitchen, to pop by the kitchen sink with the kind of scent that it is. And then they also have the aromatic body cleanser, again at £3.49. And this one is sweet orange, petitgrain and jasmine, and it says a deluxe and gentle body cleanser with natural essential oils and skin loving nutrients, again to respect your skin, enhanced with botanical extracts of lemon and grapefruit. So quite a nice kind of refreshing, oh, it's absolutely stunning. This is classy. This is a classy product. This is the kind of product that I can imagine when you use it in the shower and the hot water hits it and you get the steam, it will make all of these essential oils come out even more, and it will make for a really relaxing, almost spa treatment vibe shower. Or even, I guess you could put this in the bath as well. The scent's almost got like layers to it. You can sort of smell the different kind of sweetness of the citrus, and then it's got a little bit of like earthiness to it as well. Just smells like really nice quality stuff. Thank you, Lidl. We love the high quality for bargain prices. I think I'm definitely going to go back and pick up some more, because I've noticed in Lidl, when they're in store, it's sometimes for a limited amount of time and then they just disappear off the shelves completely. And because these are all new, I'm not sure how much they're going to be replenished, so they might just be in store for a limited time. And I'm thinking as well, because I have been suggesting items as I go along for gift ideas, some of these I would be very happy to receive in my stocking. On to the last dupe for this video, but yeah, if I find any different ones, I'll probably include some more in future vlogs. Also in store, they have these, which are giving Jo Malone. We have the Sea Sage, I think I need another sip of my coffee. We have the Wood Sage and Sea Salt hand wash by Deluxe. And then we also have the Blackberry and Bay. And yeah, I've given these a sniff. Very similar to the Jo Malone hand washes. They also had hand cream as well. You did pair up one of these with the hand cream and pop them into like a little basket, a lovely Christmas gift, or just into like a little gift bag together. And these ones are 250ml, and these are the bargain price of $1.99. Oh, I just need to change my battery, so we'll have a quick sip of the coffee, and then I will show you the bits from Superdrug. And we're back. Also, just looking at these ones, I'm very pleased with the size of these because I have my very small sink in the ensuite bathroom up here. And these will be perfect just to sit on the tiny ledge that's on it, because the big ones like this, they just don't fit on there. So yeah, I'm very happy with those two for the ensuite as well. And yeah, I'm just delighted with all of this. I think the prices and the quality is amazing. So well done, Lidl. Very impressed with that. I think Aldi have always been kind of like the leaders in the dupes in the past, haven't they? But I think Lidl, very impressed. So on to some bits from Superdrug. So they very kindly sent me over a autumn PR package, which I wasn't expecting. So this was a lovely surprise to arrive from the postman. And I thought we'd unbox them together. I've had a little look already. Also shared them on my Instagram and TikTok too, which I'm Mr. Carrington on all my social media if you want to follow me on any of those. So first of all, they included the mug that I am drinking out of today, which is this lovely pumpkin shaped glass mug. And this is from a company called Pretty Little Home, and it's prettylittlehome.co.uk if you want to have a little look at that. And they've also included some orange wooden pumpkin bunting. That's a sentence, isn't it? And it's just these really nice cutouts. This is from a company called gingeray.co.uk. This is 2 meters long with the brown jute twine. So there's 8 pumpkins on it all together. So onto the first box, and they've sent me a couple of their candles. So all of this stuff is from the Fruity range, which I'm sure you might be familiar with in Superdrug. They've had it for years, haven't they? But I've always associated it more with the kind of summer scents. It's things like the shower gels and the body sprays and that kind of thing. But they've got a limited edition blood orange and also pumpkin spice for autumn time, and they do these candles in these whopping great big jars. They're 100 hours burn time. They kind of remind me, talking of the dupes, these are very similar to the Yankee candles, aren't they? And these are £12.50 each. I've got the website up because I just wanted to make sure I told you all the prices as well, to save you kind of having to check. And yeah, you can get most of this stuff on their website too. And yeah, they're really nice. They're very fruity, as you might expect, but it does have clove layered over a base of amber. So it's got that kind of autumny, it almost smells like a nice aftershave. Very nice, that one. And then the pumpkin spice, spicy notes of cinnamon and pumpkin layered over a base of caramel. So this is your kind of more sweet, borderline sickly. I kind of love that. Smells like baking really sweet treats in the kitchen, or you've walked into like a waffly, caramelly bakery. Very sweet though, so yeah. If you like your pumpkin spice scents, you'll like this one. And then in the next box, they've included these lights, which again have the wood design. I absolutely love those, I think they are fab. And a little pumpkin that says Ewan on it. Thank you, Superdrug. This is such a lovely package. So in here, we have the shower gels. So these are 250ml. These are £1.89, but if you're a Superdrug member, which I'm not, I don't think. I think I was, and I had the little card that went in your wallet that looked like a mirror, but didn't work because it was all scratched. Do you remember that? I think I was, but I need to kind of re-sign up because that was a long time ago. But it looks like loads of their products now are doing, I think every single store now does it, the loyalty cards, and you know, you have to be a member to get the good prices. So if you are a member, 94p. So yeah, we have the pumpkin spice limited edition. I think that's the first time I've seen a pumpkin spice shower gel. Imagine that Bath and Body Works would probably do something similar. We also have the blood orange shower gel too. And actually these do remind me of Bath and Body Works. They remind me a bit of the foaming hand wash containers. But yeah, we have the body mist, again with the blood orange. Let me just give this a little spritz and see what that's like. Oh, that's nice. I wasn't expecting much, but that is actually really lovely. I'm just trying to think how I feel about smelling like a scented candle. Oh, that's nice too. I'm not sure if I'd want to wear this as a body mist, but I think I'd quite like to spritz this maybe like on my bath towels or on my dressing gown or on my throws and use it almost like a bit of a room spray, because I do love the scent. I think as well you could use this in the car if you just wanted to have like a little quick blast of something, just to kind of like, you know, revive the inside of your car too. So yeah, really nice. And these ones are £3.49 and the members price on those is £1.74, which I think is really good value. Again, potentially some really nice gift ideas. Got lots of different fragrances, not just the autumny ones, and yeah, I think it's definitely worth becoming a member if you are going to shop with Superdrug. And a big thank you to Superdrug for sending those bits over to share with all of you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do give it a thumbs up. Do let me know in the comments if you have been out and about shopping. Have you spotted any interesting dupes, any inspired by versions of things in your supermarkets? I know all the different supermarkets are doing them in various different ways, so I'm always interested to hear about any that you have spotted as well. So do leave me a comment and do subscribe if you haven't done so already. Make sure you've got that notification bell on so you don't miss any future uploads. There will be quite a bit more kind of shopping videos coming up for you as we're kind of heading into the festive season, just to show you an overview of what's in the stores, any things that I think would make lovely gifts for around Christmas time. And yeah, I just love a haul. So what's new? If you're a regular viewer, this will not surprise you, but just to kind of give you a heads up if you are new here. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely rest of your day or evening, whatever time it is that you are watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye.